Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Hana's English Corner. I'm Hana, and this is your little moment to relax, smile, and learn some real English you can actually use.
And I'm Ethan. Here we don't chase perfect grammar. We focus on real life English, the kind you can use in everyday conversations.
Today, we are focusing on a crucial part of fluency: emotional communication. We are exploring the essential words and phrases you need to talk about your successes in English. From the small victories like making the perfect toast to those big, proud moments like finishing a major project at work.
We promise to share the precise language that allows you to open up, share your wins, and react to others' good news naturally and accurately.
And this is a big moment. So if you enjoy learning with us, please hit that like button now. It's the best way to support our corner.
This helps our friendly English learning community grow stronger and larger. Let's dive in and master the language of achievement now.
Perfect. Let's get started.
Hana, I've noticed that people are often shy about talking about their successes. They don't want to sound like they're bragging or showing off. But in English, sharing your wins is a vital way to build confidence and connect with others.
I totally agree, Ethan. Success isn't just about winning a gold medal. It's about these personal victories. Like me this weekend, I finally managed to bake my grandmother's famous chocolate cake. It wasn't perfect, but it tasted just like my childhood. I felt so proud of myself.
That is a real achievement, Hana. Using the word proud is so important. It describes that warm, happy feeling you get when your hard work pays off. My success was smaller but still important. I led a team meeting at work in English. I was terrified, but I prepared, I practiced, and I managed to do it.
Managed to do it. I love that phrase. We use it when something was difficult, but we succeeded anyway. It implies effort. When you tell your story, you can follow a simple pattern: state the success, explain the effort, and share the feeling. For example, I passed my driving test. I practiced every weekend, and now I feel such a sense of relief.
That's a perfect communication bridge, and we also need to know how to react when our friends succeed. We don't just say good, we use powerful words like congratulations or well done or even I'm so happy for you. Sharing success makes the circle of happiness grow.
To talk about your success clearly, let's look at the building blocks for different situations.
In a professional setting like at the office, that you might say, I managed to finish the project ahead of the deadline, or I took the initiative to create a new template. It shows you are proactive and confident.
With family and friends, it can be more emotional. You can say, my hard work finally paid off, or it was a real dream come true for me. Your family are your biggest fans, and they love hearing your why.
And for personal goals like hobbies or fitness, you can talk about progress. I'm really making progress with my guitar, or I finally ran 5 kilometers without stopping. Success is a journey, not just a destination.
Now, let's look at some power words to upgrade your success stories.
The word success itself is the result, but succeed is the action. You can say, the party was a great success, or I hope to succeed in my next interview.
We also have the word goal. This is your target. Before you have success, you must set a clear goal. Having a goal, like, I will learn 10 new words this week, is what leads to achievement.
And don't forget feedback. At work, getting excellent feedback from a manager is a huge success. It validates your effort and makes you feel more professional and confident.
To wrap things up, Remember that your successes matter, no matter how small they are. Ordering coffee in English or fixing a wobbly table leg, these are all victories worth celebrating.
The first step to feeling successful is naming your win. When you say it out loud, it becomes real.
So, for your homework today, join our circle of achievement. Go to the comments and answer our question of the day. What is one thing you succeeded in this week? Did you manage to wake up early? Did you learn a new recipe? Or did you finish a difficult book?
We read every single comment. We want to celebrate with you and say, well done.
Thank you for spending this time with us today. It's truly a pleasure to explore ways we can make genuine progress in our lives.
We're proud of you for showing up, for practicing, and for being part of this positive community.
See you next time on Hana's English Corner.
Take care, stay kind, and be proud of yourself. One small step is all you need.
And remember, keep your English alive every single day.